After downloading and installing ARCHLine.XP starts with the initial factory settings. The following settings belong here: layers, units, angle measure, rounding of decimals, autosave settings, snap grid, object snap, cursor and marker settings, general text settings as display boundary, and printing defaults. You can override the default settings with your current settings if you choose the File menu options, Open and Save tab, Save Current Settings as New Default command. Your new settings are stored as new default settings, and every new project will start with them. You can restore ARCHLine.XP factory default settings by resetting the current ones. Choose the File menu options, Open and Save tab, Restore your default to factory settings command. All data listed previously will be deleted and the factory default settings are restored. Your new factory settings are stored as new default settings, and after restart it will be available in every new project. You can delete any layers from your current settings in the following way. A layer named OneMyLayer is a user layer and there is no need to use it anymore. Select the layer to be deleted and press on the Delete Layer button. The deleted layer is displayed on the right side of the layer dialog in the Deleted Layers group. To delete it completely, override the current settings with your new ones. Choose the File menu, Options, Open and Save tab, Save Current Settings option to save the new default. Your new layer settings are stored as new default settings and it will be available in every new project.